Hi, this is Vidyut Jamwal. For the latest updates, subscribe to BollywoodLive.com. Action, basically, my background is as I'm a martial artist, and for the movie specifically, we trained for 4 months because every actor or every stuntman that was hired in the movie has been trained to do action.
Real stunts, real moves, no cable.
So whatever you see in the movie, whether it's kicks, punches, or hits or jumps, they're all real. So when I was hitting a man, I was really hitting him. When I was kicking him, I was really kicking him. So everything that you see in the movie is real. There are no cables, no wires, no stunt doubles, no CG, and no computer graphics. I think if you can do action, you can do romance very well, and vice versa. If you are good at romance, you can do action. So I think they're all interrelated because it's an emotion from within. So if you can have any one emotion captured, you can do the other better. I love the fact that people loved my action. I love the fact that after watching Force, they all wanted me to be in an action movie. And I love the fact that the movie is not released and everybody is loving the action.
3, 2, 1, action!
So when I go out on the streets or when I go out for a morning run at the beach, I love the fact that people are trying to emulate the action that we've shown in the trailer. So for me, it's a great achievement that I can inspire a few people, and it's very good. There have been a lot of actors who've inspired me to be doing action. It starts with Sunil Shetty, it starts with Akshay Kumar, certainly Ajay Devgan. And if you go back, there is Vinod Khanna. He started as a negative. There's Shah Rukh Khan who started as a negative. So all these people are my inspiration. The only difference is, see, for me in Force, the action I wanted to do, I did that action. The only difference is in the end I died. In Commando, as a hero, I don't die. So I think that's the major difference. See, I've been a martial artist and I have been following a regimental life in terms of the training, the way I wake up in the mornings. But for Commando, because they wanted me to be a bit big and because I'm a gymnast, and so I had to start training a bit more hardened because I was really appreciated for my body in Force, and I knew that the audience wanted to see something even better than that. So I trained a bit harder than that. I think Indian diet is the best diet, and because I'm a vegetarian, I can tell you that if I can become like that, you certainly can be better than me. You should make sure that you eat everything that your body desires, and you should eat everything but in limitation. If you're eating one gulab jamun, you should stick to one. You should not eat 5 just because your eyes want to eat them. So you should listen to your body, and you should learn to listen to every cell in your body. Commando is a hardcore action movie with super music, with an amazing twist of romance in it, and it's a complete masala movie, but certainly the USP has to be action because the action has never been seen before on Indian screen or international screen. You know, we made sure that we were trying very hard to not have injuries, and because there was so much preparation gone into the movie, everybody on the set was a trained martial artist. Every stuntman had been trained into martial arts, so the injuries luckily were not there. See, I think working with newcomers is a complete satisfactory job because when I was doing Force, I know I was giving in my more than 100%, and when I see Pooja Chopra, she gives in everything that she has. So I think it's a great pleasure to be working with somebody who wants to give in more than they have. You know, there are a lot of them. Actually, after the trailer, we've got superb response from all over the world, in fact, from whether it's on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Hollywood action directors have been sending us messages on Facebook saying that they have not seen action like this before. So I think that's a compliment because I represent India, and I'm very glad that as an Indian, I can make Indians proud of the action that we've done. You know, I can't tell you which is the most favorite scene because all the action sequences, all the songs have been my favorite songs because it's a part of my movie. And I can't be biased about it, but one of the sequences that I really love is where I get into the car window and get out of it because there's a lot of effort that went in. And one of the funny incidents was when I crossed the hurdle of getting into the car window and I came out. So the audience who was watching the act came and touched the window whether to check whether it was really iron or not.